What is Google AI Studio? Google AI Studio is a web-based IDF which is in long-term integrated development environment. It is designed for prototyping and experimenting with Google's generative AI models. You can think of it as a playground where you can quickly test and explore the capabilities of models like Gemini without needing to set up a local development environment. One of the sweet things is that it allows you to connect and utilize the powerful models and infrastructure offered by Google. Now watch closely. Here I'm going to show you everything you need to know on how to use Google AI Studio, which you can skip to the part you love the most or watch it to the end to get the full knowledge. Now step 1, how to find Google AI Studio. To find Google AI Studio, what you will do is just open your Chrome like this here, or any web browser or any search engine or search app you have, just open it like this. Now here, click on the search bar here. Now here, type this on the search bar, AI Studio no space .google.com like this. No space, remove the space. Now .google. Now add.com. Make sure the Google is in small letter like this. Now click on search. Now wait for it to open. As you can see, it have opened. Now at first time it will ask you to log in using your email, which is Google email, but here it didn't ask me to log in because I have already opened the account, or I have already opened it. Now also step 2, which is how each feature work. Now here you can find the experimental models by clicking this icon here, this top icon here, where they write Gemini 2.0 Flash. You see it. Now click it, select any experimental model you like here, select anyone you like this, and then here on down section is where you can ask what you want. You see it here. And also here on this circle plus icon here, this like positive charge icon here, is where you can find, you can upload file, you can upload image, you can also record audio, you can take a picture, you can also YouTube video, you can upload a YouTube video or go to a YouTube video by clicking here, and then here you can upload a sample, media sample, and action on it. Here you see it. Now here, after typing something like this, like what is Google AI Studio, you see. Now make it a small letter. As you can see, now after typing everything, what you do is just click here for it to think and then reply you. This up arrow icon by clicking on it like this, and then wait for the reply. See, this model is thinking and then wait for it. As you can see, it is loading. As you can see, you see the result, you see it, you see it. Now also, after checking the reply, you can clear the chat just by clicking here, this icon here on the top side here, by clicking on it. As you can see, I've cleared the chat. Also, by clicking on this 3-line icon, which is called open navigation, this 3-line icon on the top side here is where you can find the studio, the documents, and also the dashboard. Here on the studio, by clicking on this down facing arrow here, is where you can find chart, stream, history, and also enable this save here in order for you to save your history as you chart, so you can go back and review your prompt or your chart. Now here in the dashboard here is where you can find the API keys, where you can find the API billing, also where you can find change log. Inside change log is where you can find the Google AI Studio updates based on months. Also here on history, by clicking on this history is where you can find the history, and then type on your screen like this in order to remove it and then view the history. See, in order to use this history or in order to have access to your previous search, you must allow this by clicking on this allow, and allow the drive, and then click on your account, which is your Google account here, which you are using, or add a new one. and then follow the process. You see, now anything I chat or generate inside this Google AI Studio will be recorded here or will be tabled down here in order for me to review it. You can go back by clicking on this three-line icon, which is the open navigation icon here, and then click on chat here to go back to the chat home page. Here you see it. Now here step 3 is how to find Google AI Studio settings. Now to find Google AI Studio settings, what you will do is just click on this setting icon here, this open setting icon here is where you can find the setting. You can also change it to day, you can change it to night, or you can change it based on your system setup, which is based on your system day or night. Here you see it, but I like leaving it in dark mode here. Now here you can also find the runway settings here by clicking this icon here. You can find the runway setting here. You can access the tools, you can find the advanced settings, you can set up your safety settings, also many things here which you can set up. Now to remove the runway settings, you just click on this cancel icon here to remove the runway settings. And also here, what makes this Google AI Studio unique is that it is easy to use. You can use it, it is easy to access. Also you can even find the API code just by clicking here, this two facing arrow here, and then you can see the API code. You see it, and then use it in any application you created or any application you like. You see it. And also you can remove it just by clicking this cancel icon, or you can view it more just by clicking this square icon. You see it, and view it more as you like, and copy it by clicking here to copy it. You see, I've copied it so I can use it in any application I created. So remove it by clicking on this cancel icon. Don't be afraid, it's easy to use. So if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. See you on the next video. Peace.